Hello, welcome to another Canva tutorial. Today I will show you how to sign up for Canva account. Watch the video till the end. Hope you will benefit. To sign up for a new account for Canva, first open up a web browser. Into the URL box type www.canva.com and press enter. On your keyboard, a page of Canva which look like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click the sign up button. In order to start your registration, select either Google, Facebook, or you can also continue registration with your email address. Here I select continue with email. Once you type in a valid email address, click on the continue button now. Type your name in the text box and click create account. Now you need to enter a verification code which is sent to the email address that you just type in. Open your email on a new tab. After you open up your email box, you should receive an email from Canva. Click it, copy the code and go back to your Canva registration page and paste it. Now you will be able to signing up for an account on Canva. Select any of the following options. Here is small business, personal, teacher, non-profit or charity, large company or student. Here I select personal, maybe later. Canva is a powerful designing tool that helps you to create projects and also help teach students. It is the basic of digital designs. That is how you can easily sign up for Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us thumbs up. I will be back soon with some more videos. Thanks for watching.